My name is Alicia, and I've been coming to Restore for many years. I think the first time was when I was 13, 14 years old. So I am 20 years old. I am currently in my junior year of college, and I'm majoring in elementary education, so I'm going to be a teacher. In 2020, we realized that there was kind of a misalignment in my spine, and it was causing like some sleep apnea. It was causing me to grind really, really bad in my teeth. I used to not be able to sleep very well at night because I couldn't breathe. Could never get comfortable. There were just like so many things where I just wasn't getting enough sleep. Especially being a full-time student in high school at the time, being a senior, I had all these activities I was doing, and I was having to wake up super early, and it was really hard to stay focused. So I was just always tired, always stressed, always very anxious. We kind of explained this to Dr. English, and she took a look at everything and did x-rays, and that's where we kind of realized that something was going on. And so I had to go through a little procedure in my jaw just to where they fixed the alignment. I had some spacers in there, and then they put the contraption in my mouth all the way like on the top, and it just allowed my mouth to expand, and then it pushed the bottom part of my jaw out. If I didn't get this fixed sooner than later, then it would cause a lot of repercussions in my future with my teeth. It seemed a lot better and healthier for myself to be able to continue with it. It's actually been really exciting as I've come along because I have only a couple more months left, so it's been really cool to see the shift and how they've moved and how much better they look now. Since having fixed my jaw and being in this process of fixing my teeth now, the sleep has gotten a lot better. My breathing is a lot better now too. That's helped a ton. It's been a long time since my teeth have been super straight. I know that once they come off, I will have a ton more confidence when it comes to my smile especially. My experience here at Restore has been positive, not just having my teeth getting fixed, but the community as well that they build here is really great. It's been really fun to just be able to come and kind of feel relaxed even though you're in a dentist chair. So that's pretty cool. 10 out of 10 recommend for anybody else who had my issues. It has really helped a lot, and Restore is really good at making sure that this super long process doesn't feel super long. Also, just knowing that after this I won't have to do anything like this ever again is really reassuring, and so yeah.